Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find flipped property list in Propwire. So for you to be able to find your flipped property list, you have to log in into your Propwire account. So for you to do that, go to propwire.com and sign in into your account using your email and password. Then from there, you have to go to the search page. So from the dashboard, click the search property. Then at the top or the left side of the screen, you have to find the list type, which is the drop down menu. Then from there, you have to choose your flipped properties from the list. Then this filter shows homes that were recently bought and resold within a short time. Then you can also enter your location. So type in the city, your zip code where you want to find the flipped properties. Then you can also add a filter, which is very optional. So to use the filter, you can use the filter like the sales date, the range price, you can also use the property type to refine your search. Then after that, click on any property to see the details such as the purchase price, resale price, and the flipped timeline. Save or export the list for follow-up, and that's it. And always have this at the back of your mind that always confirm transaction details in public record before using data for marketing or outreach, and that's it.